Don't forget to check out the free report in the description for a secret to losing weight quickly and naturally. You want to lose weight and you're starving yourself, aren't you? Listen up, you donkey. Starving yourself is about as effective as trying to put out a fire with a teacup of water. It's bloody useless. Today, we're diving into 7 healthy snacks that can help you lose weight. These snacks are going to be your bloody secret weapons in the fight against those extra pounds. We're talking about real food, not some processed rubbish that tastes like cardboard and does nothing for your body. Get ready to transform your snack game and kick those cravings to the curb. First up, we've got Greek yogurt. Not that sugary rubbish you find in those tiny plastic containers. I'm talking about the real deal. Thick, creamy, and packed with protein. This stuff is a bloody powerhouse when it comes to keeping you full and satisfied. And let me tell you, protein is crucial when you're trying to shed those pounds. It keeps you feeling fuller for longer, so you're less likely to reach for those sugary snacks that are sabotaging your progress. Plus, it helps build and repair muscle, which is essential for a healthy metabolism. But Greek yogurt isn't just about protein. It's also packed with probiotics. These are the good bacteria that keep your gut healthy and happy. And a healthy gut is essential for weight loss, believe it or not. It helps your body absorb nutrients properly and keeps things running smoothly. Now, I know what you're thinking. Greek yogurt can be a bit bland on its own, but that's where you get creative. You can add fresh berries for sweetness and antioxidants, a sprinkle of nuts for healthy fats, or even a drizzle of honey for a touch of natural sugar. Just stay away from those sugary fruit yogurts. They're loaded with added sugar and will send your blood sugar levels on a roller coaster ride. Stick with plain Greek yogurt and add your own healthy toppings. Another great option is to add some granola for that extra crunch and fiber. Or how about some chia seeds? They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, making your yogurt even more nutritious. You can also mix in a variety of fruits like bananas, mangoes, or even kiwi for a tropical twist. And don't forget spices like cinnamon, which can add a warm, comforting flavor without any added sugar. If you're not a fan of eating it plain, you can blend Greek yogurt into your smoothies for a creamy texture and protein boost. You can even use it in savory dishes, like as a base for dips or as a substitute for sour cream. Mix in some herbs and spices to create a delicious, healthy dip for your veggies. Or combine it with oats for a hearty, protein-packed breakfast that will keep you going all morning. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are undeniable. So next time you're at the store, reach for that container of Greek yogurt and get creative with your toppings. Your body will thank you for it. Next up, we've got almonds. These little wonders are more than just a tasty snack. These little nuts are a nutritional powerhouse packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They are nature's way of giving us a perfect snack that is both delicious and incredibly beneficial for our health. They're the perfect snack to keep you satisfied and energized between meals. Whether you're at work, at the gym, or just lounging at home, a handful of almonds can keep those hunger pangs at bay. Now, I know what you're thinking. Nuts are high in fat. Won't they make me fat? It's a common misconception, but let's clear that up. Listen up, you donkey. Not all fats are created equal. The fats in almonds are the good kind. Almonds contain monounsaturated fats, which are actually good for you. These fats can help improve your cholesterol levels and provide essential nutrients. They can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Incorporating almonds into your diet can be a heart-healthy choice. But here's the kicker. Almonds are also high in fiber. Fiber is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system and can aid in weight management. Fiber is essential for weight loss because it helps you feel full and satisfied. When you feel full, you're less likely to overeat or reach for unhealthy snacks. It also helps regulate digestion and keeps things moving smoothly. A healthy digestive system is key to overall well-being. And let's not forget about protein. Protein is vital for building and repairing tissues, and almonds are a great source of plant-based protein. Almonds are a good source of plant-based protein, which is essential for building and repairing muscle. After a workout, they can help your muscles recover and grow stronger. As I mentioned before, muscle is your metabolic engine, so the more you have, the more calories you burn at rest. This means that incorporating almonds into your diet can help boost your metabolism. So next time you're feeling peckish, reach for a handful of almonds instead of that bag of chips. Not only will you be making a healthier choice, but you'll also be fueling your body with essential nutrients. Your body will thank you for it. So go ahead, enjoy those almonds, and reap the benefits of this crunchy craving crusher. Now let's move on to a classic combination, apple slices with peanut butter. This pairing is not only delicious but also incredibly versatile, making it a favorite among both kids and adults alike. This is a snack that's been enjoyed for generations and for good reason. The sweet and crisp apple slices perfectly complement the creamy and slightly salty peanut butter, creating a taste sensation that's hard to resist. It's a delicious and nutritious way to satisfy your sweet tooth while getting a healthy dose of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Whether you're looking for a quick snack or a post-workout treat, this combination has got you covered. Apples are a great source of fiber, which, as we know, is essential for weight loss. Fiber helps to keep you feeling full longer, reducing the temptation to snack on less healthy options. They're also low in calories and high in vitamins and minerals. Apples provide a good amount of vitamin C, which is important for your immune system, and potassium, which helps to maintain healthy blood pressure levels. And let's not forget about their satisfying crunch. That crunch not only makes eating apples enjoyable, but also helps to clean your teeth and gums as you chew. Peanut butter, on the other hand, is a good source of protein and healthy fats. These nutrients are essential for muscle repair and growth, making peanut butter an excellent choice for those who are active or looking to build muscle. It's also surprisingly filling, thanks to its protein and fiber content. A small amount of peanut butter can go a long way in keeping you satisfied and energized throughout the day. Just make sure you choose natural peanut butter that's made with just peanuts and salt. This ensures you're getting all the benefits without any unnecessary additives. Avoid the sugary stuff that's loaded with added sugar and unhealthy oils. These can negate the health benefits and add empty calories to your diet. The combination of fiber from the apple and protein and healthy fats from the peanut butter makes this snack a winner for weight loss. It's a balanced snack that provides sustained energy and helps to curb hunger. It will keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours, preventing those pesky cravings from creeping in. So next time you're looking for a healthy and tasty snack, reach for some apple slices and peanut butter. Your taste buds and your waistline will thank you. Now, for those of you who prefer a savory snack, we've got carrot sticks with hummus. This is a light and refreshing option that's packed with nutrients and flavor. Carrots are an excellent source of fiber, which is essential for weight loss. They're also low in calories and high in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, which is important for healthy vision. Hummus, on the other hand, is made from chickpeas, which are a good source of protein and fiber. It's also incredibly versatile and can be flavored with a variety of different spices and herbs. The combination of crunchy carrots and creamy hummus is a match made in heaven. It's a satisfying and flavorful snack that will keep you feeling full and energized. Let's talk about cottage cheese, a true champion in the protein stakes. This stuff is packed with it, making it an excellent choice for those looking to shed some pounds. It's also relatively low in fat, especially when compared to other cheese varieties. Now, I know what you're thinking. Cottage cheese? Really? But trust me on this one. It's a blank canvas for flavor, and you can customize it to your liking. Add some fresh fruit for sweetness and vitamins, a sprinkle of nuts for crunch and healthy fats, or even a drizzle of honey for a touch of natural sweetness. But the real beauty of cottage cheese lies in its protein content. Protein, as you should know by now, is essential for weight loss. It keeps you feeling fuller for longer, helps build and repair muscle, and keeps your metabolism firing on all cylinders. So don't be afraid to give cottage cheese a try. It might just become your new go-to snack for weight loss. Now let's talk about berries, nature's candy. These little gems are not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants, which are essential for fighting free radicals and protecting your cells from damage. But here's the kicker. Berries are also low in calories and high in fiber. That means you can enjoy a generous serving without blowing your calorie budget. And the fiber will help keep you feeling full and satisfied, preventing those pesky cravings from creeping in. Whether you prefer strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, or blackberries, there's a berry out there for everyone. Enjoy them on their own, add them to yogurt or cottage cheese, or even blend them into a smoothie. Finally, let's talk about hard-boiled eggs, a classic and convenient snack that's perfect for those on the go. They're packed with protein and nutrients, making them an excellent choice for those looking to fuel their bodies and lose weight. Eggs have gotten a bad rap in the past due to their cholesterol content, but studies have shown that dietary cholesterol has little impact on blood cholesterol levels. In fact, eggs can actually improve your cholesterol profile by raising good cholesterol levels. But the real star of the show is protein. Eggs are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs to function properly. And as we know, protein is essential for weight loss. Keep hard-boiled eggs on hand for a quick and easy snack. They're perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a post-workout snack. So there you have it, 7 healthy snacks that will help you lose weight and keep those cravings at bay. Remember, losing weight isn't about starving yourself. It's about making smart choices and fueling your body with the right foods. These snacks are just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless other healthy and delicious options out there, so get creative, experiment, and find what works best for you. Make sure to check out the free report in the description for a secret to losing weight quickly and naturally. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy tips.